It's so fun to be able to pick the guitar up and just start jamming. There's just a few simple elements to be able to play that way. First is just riding this open A string, then hitting the 7th fret of the D string is another A, but we're hammering on from 5 to 7 here. The Ted Nugent style. And I'm kind of using downstrokes. There's a lot of different ways to be able to jam by yourself, but this is a fun one. Downstrokes kind of choked out with a little bit of muting here with your right palm. That's the foundation. And then we can easily add elements of the A minor pentatonic scale to that. I'm going to show you how to, add those simple elements, but be able to slide up the A minor pentatonic scale also on one string. This just gives you a sense of timing as you're jamming. The trick is to stay locked into the groove as you're just moving these notes around the fretboard, or even just staying in this one position, because there's a lot of great licks to be had right here in this first position, but you can easily venture out. So again, the foundation. So staying locked into the groove, having some direction here. We're going to pivot off of this A note here, the 7th fret of the D string. Simple moves, but when you stay locked into the pulse, this is where the magic happens. If the rhythm is interesting, the notes become musical. When you are locked in that pulse, tapping your foot, even moving your body a little bit. With this open A string ringing, you can slide up the pentatonic positions easily. Just sliding here, I'm still pivoting off of this note, but first sliding from 7 to 10 on the D string. All these are on the D string here. Sliding to 12. 14. 17. And then 19 is the octave to this. You have all the same licks, obviously, in the octave. A little harder to grab sometimes with bigger fingers also, but just getting here. Just those notes riding full bend and the 7th fret of the G string will get you there when you lock in your first finger here on the 5th fret. keeping the groove is the best practice. And you need to have some working knowledge of this scale, obviously. But again, pivot off of the root, the home bass note. And you can jam by yourself. Play some lead lines just by yourself with a pulse. And this is hours of fun. If you have a good tone, and it just keeps you motivated and inspires you. Always good to hang out with you. Let's talk soon.